Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical design Croatia winter baby sweater designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia winter baby sweater designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. Warmth Croatia sweater provides excellent insulations for babies. Softness Croatia fabrics is gentle on sensitive baby skin. Easy care, machines washable and dryable. Affordable designs. Croatia sweaters come in various styles from classics to modern. Colorful option choices from a wide range of colors and combinations. Texture interesting Croatia stitches, great visibility appearing textures. Handmade love Croatia sweaters are often made with love by family or friends. Unique gift. A handmade Croatia sweater is a thoughtful one of kind gift. Family heirloom, third of generations. Breathability Croatia fabric allow for airflow, reducing overheating. Natural fabric choices, organized natural yarns of chemical-free clothing. Comfortable Croatia sweaters promotes relaxed, comfortable babies. Complekin sweater, free layer inspired color work, snowfall and the winter themed patterns. Hoodie sweater for added warmth. Soft and medium wool warmth and the ability on nice cottons and bamboo. Single Croatia, double Croatia, half double Croatia, triple Croatia. Choose the right yarns, bait and hook size. Considers baby age and size when selecting patterns. Ensure properly fit, adjustable buttons and ties. Use safely for guidelines for buttons and the black finish sweater for professional finish. Croatia winter sweater in thoughtful, practical and the loving. So viewers, I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. Viewer, different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trends, then select your favorite design and apply on your baby dresses for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who are searching these types of most trending designs. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, see you soon.